I found 6 AI tools that will blow your mind. And this doesn't include ChatGPT and Dari too, because they are quite popular nowadays. And the first one is Voice.ai.
Why it does is quite simple. It converts your audio into a celebrity voice like Donald Trump, Barack Obama, or you name it, just like this.
To do the same, you have to install this app on Windows. Currently, it's only available for Windows. After once installing the app, you have to import your audio via the file saved in your computer, or you can record it internally via the app, or you can even use it in live mode via video conferencing apps such as Zoom or Google Meet. After once recording your audio and converting, you might be stuck in this dilemma that just to find there's only 2 pre-trained voices. Yes, on free version there is only 2 trained voices. To train voices you need coins for which you have to pay. That is a little catch, which big brain moves of course. Next is Beatoven.ai. Using this AI tool, you could quite literally create your own music, and you can use it anywhere like on YouTube. For example, the music which you are right now hearing is created by Beatoven.ai. To create music through this AI, you just have to select few options and leave it to the AI to process it and create a new music from scratch. And in case if you are looking for alternative, there is also Jukebox from none other than OpenAI and SoundDrop. Next is Replica AI, which acts as your companion and gets better with more conversations you have with it. Also, you can use a VR headset to have an eye-to-eye conversation with it. I mean, kinda, you know what I'm speaking about, right? So it is made for loners like us.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely, I have nobody.
Next is Synthesize AI, which is used to generate videos from plain text. Basically, this AI does my job. This also supports 120 language, which seems so good. So to show an example, here is an example.
Subscribe to TWJB for some awesome content. And yes, I am a purely AI generated video.
I'm a strong believer that you should do what that AI suggested you to do. Next is Vrew editing AI application, which is basically a simplified editing software for beginner editors who find it very difficult to edit in professional editing softwares. Basically, this application transcribes your whole video into captions, so it is easier for you to edit through the captions instead of a normal version which is provided in editing softwares. So for beginners, it is a great AI editing software. Next is Copy.ai, which is basically a ChatGPT made specifically to write blogs, emails with that personalized touch where ChatGPT lacks. This also can be used to create ad copy, e-commerce copy, sales copy, website copy, and social copy. It is actually the job of copywriters, and it basically replaces their jobs. In conclusion, these are some of the AI tools which I found to be super useful for many people. If you want to check out any of those AI tools, links will be in the description. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, of course. And I will catch you up in the next one. Peace.